Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT. So today I'm working on this communicating Trane system, and this is the big 1050 Nexia thermostat. I actually own this exact system in one of my houses, and check out what it's doing. It just stays on the original Trane screen when it's booting up. It's not supposed to do that. It's only supposed to do it once, and then it's supposed to go to the home screen. So it's pretty much just like rebooting and rebooting and rebooting. And right before it went bad, it had a bunch of communication errors. So these are pretty simple. Because they're communicating, they only have 3 wires. So I'll go ahead and show you real quick. So it's going to go to the screen, and then it's going to go back to rebooting again. And it just does that nonstop. It's going to go back to the Trane screen here. There it is, see? Okay, that's enough. So we'll go ahead and you pull this off. They're pretty simple to diagnose, just pull it off the wall. And the data is actually receiving, or it's actually communicating. That's direct current. The data is direct current, so we're not even really concerned about that. The only thing that this thing needs to boot up, do a full boot up, is red and common. So pull that out real quick. There we go. So then just with your meter, we have our meter right here. And with our meter, we're going to just check between red and common here. Should have brought my GoPro. Okay, here it is. All right. So there it is. Come on. There it is, 27 volts. Right there. If it's got 27 volts, and I was doing it with one hand, that's why it kept falling off, but if it's got 27 volts, it should do a full boot up. If it does not, then you just need to change out this comfort control. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. That's pretty much it. Let me see if I can do a follow-up if they have it in stock today. If they don't, we're going to have to come back and do it when it's available. Alright, so I went to go get a new one. They had like 200 in stock, so no shortage on that end. And moment of truth. Put in the back plate, wired it up, just 3 wires. Let's go ahead and power it up. Give it a second. Okay, so we calibrate it. It's like watching water boil. Now we get to the screen, loading, and that's pretty much it. I mean, we're pretty much going to go through the whole setup process again, It's going to be a little time consuming because this is a communicating system with zones. So it's going to take a little bit of time. But I just wanted to show you that this was the correct diagnosis and that we are good to go from here on out. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. And I'm hoping that we'll see the home screen so you guys can be fully so the diagnostic can be foolproof 100%, and you can see it actually go to the home screen, or to the setup screen at least. Alright, and there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the setup process. I don't want to bore you with that, or that can be for a different video. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. We will see you on the next one.